Hello you guys. So this vlog is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna kind of narrate you guys through the whole thing. But first and foremost, if you hear running, dingling and all that, it's the dogs, okay, the puppies. First, y'all, I'm about to go get me a smoothie because I'm hungry. It's like almost 12. I have spinach. By the way, this is gonna be a very poor smoothie today, but I'm gonna ump it up. I actually need to go and get some more fruit, but it's just mainly gonna be blueberries, okay, and bananas. I have the Berry Bellway fiber. So if you guys don't know about fiber, it really helps with your gut, your indigestion. And I really like this because you can just add it to your water or a smoothie. It is a mixed berry flavor and it smells really good. So I'm gonna put this in last, but I'm gonna go ahead and add my spinach. Gotta get some greens in. And now I'm gonna do a scoop of my protein. I don't think I'm gonna do a whole scoop though, that's a lot. I'm gonna put in half of a banana, a frozen banana. Put that in. And some blueberries. And last but not least, my fiber, you guys. I'm gonna put a whole scoop of this in here. But when you're first starting off, you just wanna put a half a scoop. But after the first 3 days, then you can go to a full scoop. So I'm clearly past my 3 days. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in. And we're gonna put some almond milk. Now we blend. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my smoothie glass. I made my smoothie, and I have been putting fiber into my smoothies lately, y'all, because my stomach just been a little not too sure, and I have been needing fiber. If you guys don't know a lot about fiber, it helps with your indigestion, you know, all that good stuff, but it also helps with skin, nails. I have tried to do the gummies, but I feel like that doesn't sit right with the whole trying to help your gut thing. So I stopped using the fiber gummies that I had, and I've been recently using Bellway's Super Fiber Powder, and this one is in the mixed berry, and this video is sponsored by Bellway, so shout out to Bellway for sponsoring this video. But this right here, y'all, is so nice. I like it because there's two options. You can either mix it with some water and chug it, you know, just go ahead and down it, or you can put it in a smoothie. I do both, so sometimes I'll do the water, sometimes I'll do the smoothie. I do prefer the smoothie better, but if you need to chug it, the water will certainly do. They have different flavors. Mine is mixed berry, and this is gluten-free, plant-based, and it has 0 grams of sugar. So I'm digging it. It's a good way to just get your fiber in. It's quick, and I love it. It absorbs very quickly. So I did add this to my smoothie, and it's a good smoothie, okay? If you would like to purchase from Bellway, I will have it in the description bar. But let's get right on into the rest of this video. It has been a week. So the first thing we did was have a self-care day. Like, I went, got a wax, I went to get my brows done, I went to get my nails done. I did a self-care day for me, and it went like this. Hi guys, so welcome back to my vlog, y'all. I am getting ready to go to kind of have like a self-care day. I'm gonna be getting my waxes today, my brows done today, and my nails done today. I've already gotten a pedicure, y'all. I showed y'all that in my other vlog, but now I'm gonna be going to get my nails done, and it is a Black-owned nail tech, and I've been trying to find one, found one, and I think she a friend. I think she a friend. So I'm just putting on some lotion, y'all. Y'all know I love the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian lotion. I'm gonna get my nails done. So first thing I'm gonna do is get my wax, because my nail appointment is at 1 o'clock. It is now 9:10, and it looks like the wax place is open, and I think they take walk-ins. So I'm like, let's just get that out of the way. And where I get my wax at is over here in like the Camp Creek area. So I'm gonna go there first, and then head to Midtown because my brow lady is up there, and then my nail appointment is in Ponce. I do have a laser removal appointment down here. However, I don't think I'm gonna be going today. I've already paid like up for like 6 to 7 months of lasering, but I just haven't gone because it's in North Atlanta. I don't think I'm gonna do all that today. I think I'm gonna go get the laser done when I go to the chiropractor. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do that another day. Another day. Another dollar, baby. I need to find my sunnies. My garage opener is not working, so I gotta go open the garage. Darn it. Let's go, buddy. I just made it to the wax place. I got my mask on, you know what I'm saying, friend. This is the wax spot that I am going to. It's the Rio Body Wax. I'm about to get a Brazilian and also my underarms because, yes, baby, hairy, okay? All right, y'all, so I have to go get my brows done. Let me show you my brows, though, you know what I'm saying? Like, they're what we looking like, friend, okay? They need to be done, like, ASAP. I'm here at Amsterdam Walk. It's like a little area in Atlanta. It's called Amsterdam Walk. And I'm going to the Baya Salon. But actually, the brow place that I'm going to is called Shayla's Threading or something like that. Alright. It's been a minute.
No problem.
Keep them thick.
Just clean up, right?
Yeah. Yep. Thank you. All right, friend. Check me out. Check me out. I told her to keep them thick and make sure the end is a little sharper. This one was done really, really well. She had to go back in and sharpen that one, but she could have took a little bit more. I think this is a nice full brow. I like my full brow. Friend, I forgot to tell you about my little wax experience. Girl couldn't get it. She couldn't get it all off the cooch, honey. She couldn't get it all off. Started plucking at me, girl. I was a little angry with her. That shit ain't right. That plucking ain't right, honey. Just what if it don't come off with the wax, leave it there. I can't do it. It hurts. Them underarms, whoa, buddy. I'm over here in this little plaza area. There's an art and garden. I'm going to the Mediterranean Grill and get their lunch special because it's so good. I just finished my food. Like I told y'all, I got the business lunch with the extra tzatziki sauce, okay? Mediterranean. I got a Sprite. They normally have lemons cut up in there. They had lemons. I like to put a little lemon in my Sprite, honey. But now, I need to go get my nails done, and I need to be on time because sis said in the thing, if you late, 5 minutes late to her chair, she's gonna charge you the whole service fee, and you can't get your nail done. So y'all know I had to make sure I'm over here. And she only 4 miles away from where I am right now. And it's 12:35 and my appointment at 1:05. So y'all know I ain't playing. I'm about to go on over here. Cause I'm that type of person. If I go to like a big building in Atlanta, girl, I get lost. First of all, I be on the elevator, I go to the wrong floor. That's just me. Hey y'all, I made it. This is like a Baya Salon too. So, which is funny because that's the same salon I just went and got my brows done. It's in a separate area though. I left the nail shop. These are my nails. I will say, I did not know that she isn't that experienced. Like, she's good. Don't get me wrong, like I love her designs and stuff, but the shaping could have been better. I really like this hand, but for this hand, I think the middle finger is a little crooked, but overall it's nice. That was my self-care day. And then your girl decided to create a closet room, and it went like this. I had to paint. I bought some plants, and I am actually sitting in here right now, but I'm not gonna really show you. Just look at the footage. Just look at the footage, friend. All right, y'all, so this is what my room is looking like before I do any type of revamping or anything. I used to use this for like another room to film like makeup tutorials and stuff like that in. I have this little thing here. It has a lot of my makeup on it, in it, little ring light. I'm gonna take the TV down. What I really wanna do is paint these walls white because they are not white, they're off-white. And if I'm gonna be filming in here, I need it to be white so that the camera picks up white, and you can tell it's not white because this is white. Baby. And I think I want to change this light fixture, definitely clean this room up. I want to do some lookbooks in here, so I want to have like the camera this way and then film. So this is going to be my main filming walls, so this is pretty much what I want to paint white. And I have all of the clothes and stuff that I want to put in here, so that's why it looks like this, because I have like my socks and jackets and clothes and shoes are in the basket and back there, and then Scott's pen. I'm gonna take that in the other room because that's a hair dryer, so I'm just gonna take that out of here and have this all in my closet. This is some filming stuff. All of this filming stuff is gonna go in the other room, I think. So I've taken out some stuff. I took out Sky's pen and stuff. And then I put most of this stuff in the middle. So now you can get a good look at what I'm working with. I'm about to paint. I'm not gonna tape anything because I'm painting the wall white and the baseboards are white. So we're not gonna overcomplicate this today. This is the paint that I'm using. I was just stirring it up, but it's just some interior, the whitest of the white paint. I have a little pan and a roller and stuff, so I'm about to get to work. I know I haven't shown y'all this, but I started painting. As y'all can see, it's getting whiter, it's getting crisper. I only started because Jalen's on the phone and she's keeping me company, so I was like, I might as well just start. So this is what my room is looking like so far. I have the desk right here. It's all painted. You know, it looks a little messy up there. You can't see that though. Leave me alone. I'm about to clean this up now. I'm gonna put this mirror up here on this wall. I'm gonna clean all of this up back here. I'm gonna put my shoes back here on this shelf, so I have to clean all that up. And then this is what this corner is looking like though. Really nice. My little things still have these little shelves here, little things that you put the shelves on, and I have a few other shelves here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the extra shelves back in here, and then I'm gonna start putting the shoes in. Now I was gonna paint this white, y'all, but I just don't feel like it right now. I may do it a little later, but right now I just wanna get the shoes on it. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, I really like doing my room over. That just was like very therapeutic for me. Also this week I did film a low ponytail tutorial, but I didn't like it. But I'm still gonna show you guys in this one just because I filmed it. So just throw it in the vlog. Just throw it in the vlog. That's basically how I feel. So yeah, watch it. Right, and last but not least, you guys, I have a new camera, and I'm actually filming on the camera right now. But I do tell you guys and go through it because I do have another vlogging camera, because you guys know I was vlogging before today. So I did use my other vlogging camera to show you guys this camera. So here that footage is. Friend, guess what your girl got? Guess what your girl got? A new vlogging camera. Oh my god, I'm kind of excited. A little lot bit, okay? So this is the new Sony ZV-1, okay? And I'm obsessed already. Like, the quality on this bad boy is insane. It has 4K. This whole package, well, not this microphone, but like the camera and this cool as what do they call this, remote grip. That's what it is. It's a remote grip. This was $150, but it was actually $100 because I got it with the camera. If you get it as a bundle at Best Buy, you get $50 off. So I got $50 off. I love this camera. So it flips out like that. The camera that I'm using now, it flips up because I am using the Canon G7X. This is a Sony. I did have a Sony before I had the Canon, and I actually wanted to stick with Sony, but then I liked the Canon. But now I wanted to stick with Canon, and I like the Sony. It be like that sometimes. Let me show y'all. I like that the record button is right there. That's the on button, the mode button. I can control everything from here, so I can hit record. I can zoom in and out. I can take a photo. I don't know what that is, but like I can do other stuff. And this is a tripod. That's what I'm talking about. Put it all in one. And so it's just nice that I can just hold it far, you know. This is me vlogging, friend, in case you cared. And it takes amazing photos. Like, you cannot beat that. And it has a microphone input. I don't think this camera here has a microphone input at all. Okay. It's good quality. This whole thing, like I said, was less than $1,000. You can tell this is some quality, okay? Quality. I am waiting on my light fixture to come for this room. So once I put that up, I can give y'all like a full tour of the space and all that. But for right now, that's all, folks. I need to wash my hair because I just put this little low slick bun, but I really want to wash my hair because it feels so right now. So I'm just trying to figure out what hairstyle I want to do. I know I want to do 2 braids, like 2 long knotless braids, but I don't want to do that right now. I want to do that next. And that's pretty much it, y'all. I've pretty much just been playing with my camera. I've been loving my camera, y'all. It is very convenient, and I feel like the quality looks better. Let me know if you feel like the quality looks better. I think it does. And if you are wondering about my hair today, I actually did 8 twists on my hair, y'all. 8 twists, and this is what I got. It looks so good, and I was not expecting this, so I am going to have to do a tutorial. I literally just put 4 twists, like 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, like, you know, 8. And y'all see I got some thick hair. There was a lot to the method that I used, so I cannot wait to show you guys what I did because I think it looks really good. I hope you guys like this vlog. I am gonna have to find me another nail tech because the one who I went to, I did not like how she did my nails, y'all, as I said earlier. So the next time you see me get my nails done, it's gonna be from a new person. By the end of this year, we're going to find our nail tech of the century because I need somebody I can go to all the time that's gonna get me right. I need someone who has really great nail tech experience. Like, I need you to know shaping. I need you to know like how to marble, how to do designs. I need that because I want to portray it on my nails. Like, I'll pay, but geez, who? Like, I just need someone to go to. So I have been looking for a nail person. So once I find a nail person, I'm gonna be good to go. But now I'm just rambling, and I'm sure this vlog is long already. So I will see you guys in my next video.